Hey, what's up YouTube? This morning I wanted to update everyone and give a follow-up video letting you guys know how the iOS 11.3.1 Electra jailbreak experience has been for me. And secondly, I wanted to share with everyone some useful resources such as an updated top tweaks list, some good sources to get started with after jailbreaking, and for the cherry on top, I'll even throw in my top favorite themes. Now, I must admit, I stayed up pretty late last night playing around with this jailbreak, installing tweaks, and testing its reliability, and in this video, I wanted to show you guys what I've achieved. I will say the initial jailbreak process was a bit hit and miss at first, but after successfully jailbreaking and having the Electra utility install Cydia successfully, the jailbreak has been working flawlessly since that. I have over 60 plus packages installed and running all at the same time, and this phone is still incredibly fast. Keep in mind, this is not the iPhone 8, this is not the iPhone 7, this is the iPhone 6s, and the performance is still this good. So if you guys are worried about performance loss from the jailbreak, I just want to let you guys know that is not going to be an issue this time around. Now, like I said, I have over 60 packages and tweaks installed. A few examples being Fluid Enabler to bring iPhone 10 gestures to older devices so you can access the control center from the top right, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to go home, you can swipe on the bottom of the screen to switch between apps, and even on the lock screen there are the iPhone 10 toggles. Now, other tweaks include translucent messages for this awesome look here, Meshuda XI for a music visualizer in Spotify and Apple Music, Artsy for the album art on the cover sheet and control center, Jumper on the lock screen to get custom toggles such as opening the Messages app, Color Banners and IntelliX to group and color my notifications, Anemone for this iOS 6 theme on my home screen, Boxia 3 for this custom icon layout, Nougat folders for the folder icons, Eclipse X and Noctis XI for dark mode, and of course Tweak Count 2 to show how many packages I have installed within Cydia. Now, this is just the tip of the iceberg, guys, of what can be achieved with this jailbreak. So instead of taking up a ton of your time going over every single tweak I have installed, I made an article on Best Tech Info listing all the tweaks I personally have tested on this device running iOS 11.3.1. So in that article, you'll find an awesome list of the top 50 tweaks that are 100% compatible with iOS 11.2 to 11.3.1 and can be installed right now. As an added bonus, I also included some of my favorite repositories or sources to get started discovering and installing new tweaks, and like I said in the intro of this video, I also listed out my top 5 themes. Anyway guys, I just wanted to give everyone an update to my experience with the iOS 11.3.1 Electra jailbreak. I also wanted to share my updated top tweaks list as well as provide more resources for new users after jailbreaking. So hopefully this video and that article helps out. I know a lot of users are still having issues initially jailbreaking, but I hope this video gives you some hope, showing that it is possible to get this thing working, and once you're jailbroken, the possibilities for customization are endless. Anyway guys, thank you for watching this quick video. This has been an absolutely phenomenal experience covering this jailbreak's release. I really hope this video and all the ones I've made thus far are helpful. Hit that thumbs up button if you want more content today, and of course subscribe and ding that notifications bell to be notified when it comes out later. Anyway guys, until next time, this is Tony, signing out.